What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Ty Imani, and welcome back to Lie with Ty. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a how to make sugar wax video. I know if you guys have watched my previous videos, you noticed that these bad boys have outgrown more than my liking, and I don't have, actually my wax pot broke. That's another story. I went to a pop-up shop and didn't close it all the way together when I was packing up to go home, so all the wax spilled everywhere, and yeah, so that's totally garbage. But since I don't have any wax, I am going to make some sugar wax at home. So I'm gonna follow the recipe from one of my favorite YouTubers. I'm gonna actually link her page down below so you guys can watch her as well. But I'm gonna use her recipe because it's simple, it's easy, and I think I made sugar wax, or I attempted to make sugar wax before, but it didn't come out the way that I liked. It was like more liquidy than solid, and I didn't get like some proportions right. So hopefully I can get it right today so I can wax these bad boys, maybe even wax like my arms or something else, or I don't know. But today is going to be a how to make sugar wax video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as click that notification bell on the bottom right hand corner so you can guys get my post notification alerts each and every time that I post. I have finally decided that I'm going to make my Live with Ty post every Friday. I don't know what time, but it is going to be every Friday. So no, every Friday you guys can expect a weekly post by Live with Ty. Without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Alright, so the ingredients I have is brown sugar, regular sugar, my lemon juice. I also have my measuring cups and my pot. And I also have my plastic container to store it in afterwards. So I have my half cup of sugar that I'm going to be placing in. I decided to use regular sugar because the brown sugar was too solid. I'm going to scoop my half a cup of sugar, level it off, place it on the table. Then I'm going to take my quarter cup measuring cup of lemon juice, pour all of that in, place it on the table. So I'm going to take my sugar and my lemon juice, pour them into my pot. I'm going to do the sugar first. Following up with the lemon juice. Now that my ingredients are inside the pot, we're going to go off to the stove. So here you're going to want to cook it on a medium hot temperature and just continue to stir, melt the sugar. You want to keep stirring so it's not going to burn at the bottom. So the more you stir, the less likely it is that your sugar wax is going to burn. Just keep stirring, just keep stirring, just keep stirring. And you would like to keep stirring until you reach your solution to look like a golden brownish color.
Much later.
Alright, so now you see the bubbles working. That means that it's boiling. At this point, you may not be able to tell what color it is underneath, so be sure to take it off the stove to make sure that it's the right color. So I've reached my desired color. I'm going to let it off the stove to cool off just a little bit. Now you just want to keep stirring and let it rest just so it can thicken up. Right now it's like a syrup texture. You want to keep stirring until it gets a little bit solidified so that when you're scooping it, it's going to hold onto the spoon.
Twenty minutes later.
Alright you guys, so as you can see, it has solidified a lot more, sticking to my spoon. Now it's time to knead my batch. I'm making sure that my hands are consistently wet so it doesn't stick onto them. You want to have a little water by you. And just knead it, knead it, knead it. Throw it back and forth into the palms of your hands to get your desired texture. Like I am doing so right now. And then once you are done, just put it in the container and let's start waxing. Cleansing my underarms now. I feel like I have like big like shoulders because this looks so weird. I'm just giving this a good clean all around. Now I'm gonna wet my hand so just to make sure that the wax is still. So I'm just gonna take what is left in here. As you guys can you see? It looks like this. So I'm just gonna run my hands through it. Make sure I get a good stick on it.
Mom?
Yes?
Baby.
I'm gonna start with this one first since I think it'll be a better hold, and since the direction of my hair all goes like downward, I trimmed it a little bit before I turned the camera back on, but since the direction of my hair goes downward, it's going like this way, so I'm gonna anchor it up this way and then pull back the same way that my hair is growing. All right, wish me luck. This is my first time ever waxing my own underarm. Actually, no, it's not. I waxed my underarm with hard wax before, but not with sugar wax. So we're gonna anchor it up. Ooh, I can feel it already tugging. Ooh. And then we're gonna go up. Oh! Oh! Yo, I think I'm about to have to get... Ah! Okay, so mommy has to stop. I have to stop because this is like, I don't think this is right. Why can't it just be hard wax? No, I'm gonna have to get a strip. Do I have strips here? Please tell me that I have strips here. I don't know if I left them at the shop or not. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Mommy.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Excuse me, Zayla. Yeah. Okay. If I can find a wax strip, then I can take this off. I can still take it off if I get in the shower, but I want the hair to come. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, so let's see if this works. Okay. Ooh. Please, word 1, 2, 3. 3. Bro. Bro, this whole entire video was just an epic fail. They were like, what are you doing in the back? I'm so... Bro. I'm just gonna have to freaking shave. Yeah. I don't know what to do. Huh? Yo. Get down. Talking about some mommy. You know what? Alright guys, well, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Hopefully whatever it is that I try to do, it will be a success. I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.